Today, we're going to talk about some common problems and solutions of a jet ski, which is a type of personal watercraft that can be ridden like a motorcycle on the water. Jet skis are very fun and versatile machines, but they also require proper care and maintenance to avoid breakdowns and accidents. In this video, we will cover some common issues that jet ski owners may encounter and how to fix them or prevent them from happening. The first problem is overheating. Overheating can occur when the cooling system of the jet ski is clogged or damaged, preventing the water from flowing through the engine and keeping it cool. This can cause the engine to overheat and shut down, or even damage the internal components. To prevent overheating, you should always check the water intake and outlet of the jet ski before and after each ride, and remove any debris or dirt that may block them. You should also flush the cooling system regularly with fresh water to remove any salt or corrosion. If the overheating persists, you may need to replace the thermostat, water pump, or impeller. The second problem is battery drain. Battery drain can happen when the jet ski is not used for a long time, or when the electrical system is faulty or has a short circuit. This can result in the battery losing its charge and not being able to start the jet ski. To prevent battery drain, you should always disconnect the battery when the jet ski is not in use, and store it in a cool and dry place. You should also charge the battery every month or use a trickle charger to keep it topped up. If the battery is old or damaged, you may need to replace it with a new one. The third problem is fuel leakage. Fuel leakage can occur when the fuel lines, hoses, or tank of the jet ski are cracked, worn, or loose, allowing the fuel to leak out and create a fire hazard. This can also affect the performance and efficiency of the jet ski, as well as the environment. To prevent fuel leakage, you should always inspect the fuel system of the jet ski before and after each ride, and tighten or replace any parts that are leaking or damaged. You should also use the correct type and amount of fuel for your jet ski, and avoid overfilling or spilling it. The fourth problem is corrosion. Corrosion can happen when the metal parts of the jet ski are exposed to salt water, air, or chemicals, causing them to rust and deteriorate. This can weaken the structure and function of the jet ski, and make it unsafe to ride. To prevent corrosion, you should always rinse the jet ski with fresh water after each ride, and dry it thoroughly. You should also apply anti-corrosion spray or wax to the metal parts, and store the jet ski in a covered and ventilated place. If the corrosion is severe, you may need to sand, paint, or replace the affected parts. The fifth problem is hull damage. Hull damage can occur when the jet ski hits rocks, debris, or other objects in the water, causing scratches, cracks, or holes in the hull. This can compromise the buoyancy and stability of the jet ski, and allow water to enter the engine compartment. To prevent hull damage, you should always avoid riding the jet ski in shallow or crowded waters, and steer clear of any obstacles. You should also lift the jet ski out of the water when not in use, and use a trailer or a lift to transport it. If the hull damage is minor, you may be able to repair it with epoxy or fiberglass. If the hull damage is major, you may need to replace the entire hull. These are some of the common problems and solutions of a jet ski that you should be aware of. By following these tips, you can keep your jet ski in good condition and enjoy it for a long time. Thank you for your attention. If you are interested in finding your dream boat in Singapore, you can contact us. We are the most reliable and effective boating platform in Asia Pacific. We can help you find your ideal boat in Singapore or anywhere in Asia. We have a team of experts who can guide you through the process of buying or selling your boat. Basco Boating is more than just a digital boat broker. We are your trusted partner in fulfilling your dreams about life at sea. If you're eager to delve deeper into this subject matter and gain a comprehensive understanding, we invite you to explore our detailed blog post. Within its pages, you'll find an extensive guide that covers every facet of this topic. For your convenience, you can locate the link in the description provided below.